Omushiterane cy'Obwegyese kitebekanisiibwe dayosisi ya Hoima abanyamyuga by'Obwegyese bashawize reporter koreka ko abana b'icweka 30 Uganda nabo bakumare cyamushanja abeja bakutandika cyo bina cyo kubanza
ikiyo kubanza kiturozire abana bayingi nibaruga mu mashomero batakamazire kusoma ikitweta school dropouts twasangire nti habucweka habuli 10 obucweka nsanju abatandikira mu P.7 tibayika omukitebe ekyamusanju tibamalira kandi kyakabiri kiturozire twarora nti embera yokusoma environment mu masomero agamu ekyali mbi muno abana abandi tibayine ebyo kwikale bikumara tibayine bitebe byo kusomeramwe bikumara kandi ekikusemba itwaro mu masomero agamu n'abasomesa abakubasomesa tibakamazire
okuchondozo kukozerwa mu district ziri mu Hoima City Kikube Kagadi Kibale Kakumiro Masindi Kiryandongo Burisa na Hoima
anke kitongole kyebyengesa ikizibu kitukisire kusanga ntabazaire bayingi muno tibakufayo kujumbira ebyenyegesa tibakufayo kuhereza abana ebyetago hati ogenda mu maiso ntwetekanza kurura ntujigumbya abazaire kurura nibatwara abana mu somero
Beatrice Mbabazi orumukuru w'Obwegyese muri Kagadi na Ageihangwe buzubwona ni buruga butabanguko mu maka nembera mbi y'obworo bwo mu maka
abandi bakurugamo aba school based challenges abandi is home based challenges abandi omukali domestic violence ebyetago teba kubifuna atingo ko batedde bakorana bagamba ibintu birabitakuzoka nokusoma katwerekera omusana kaba kusomera omuntu wange.
Definitely teachers are not enough. We are having more crisis in primary with the teacher policy that says everybody who's teaching in primary school must have a degree. Many teachers are retiring, especially those who are seeing they are already 50 years or above. They see no need to go back to school, so the best is to go in for retirement. But looking at the staff ceiling across the country tells you that the teachers are not enough.
Mbabazi na Ageihangwe sentence government iri kushashura omwegeni kiretera abeji kurugo mu ishomero nuko kushaba government kongera sente kuruga mitware biro kwika mitware 5.
Ati government agena kuongezaho kutuongezaho the capitation grant. Sente ziba kwa buli mwana tuzino kusigaza mitware 2 akiza kutia mitware 4 rondi mitware 5 ko trole abukuba sente zo kutosa kumara atosangalie ikizibu mu masomero abantu tabakusasula sente kandi government ne yanga negamba masomero government agakuyamba government tukasane kusoza sente so
Reverend Father Patrick Mugisori omuhandiki w'Obwegyese mu dayosisi ya Hoima nagira ngo abazire bingi bakiremurwe kwagira kushoma kw'abana babo.
Ikintu cyo kubanza kurant ntwongera muno kujugumbya abantu abarukwahukana abazaire aba government naito twenka okwekoramo umurimo kurant ntuterera buli muntu wena okujumbira byenyegesa kandi kurant abana bamarayo kusoma kandi okwekambisa abazaire kurant batasikira ya government yonka bati kurant abazaire nibahayo akantu akokusomesa abana.
Amakuru agasha kwa Ambrose nwagaba katoto.